my daughter is here, so it's nice that I actually have a gate person. And I don't have to get out of the tractor. Well, it's a Sunday, and I kind of been working in the barn all morning, kind of picking up stuff, cleaning floors, etc. But I guess my question is, am I the only one that has trouble keeping the workbench and everything picked up? Because it becomes a mess in a hurry, and I've got a lot more to do out here. But I'll just do a little bit at a time. And I also want to mention, which I think I have on another video, I have to clean up all this mess. And it's not necessarily a mess. There's equipment in here, heaters, etc. But I'm going to turn this side of the barn into my goat kidding pens and leave this side over here for my cattle pens, and I can put 3, maybe 4 cows on this side when they're calving, and then I have an outside pen that I can put 2 cows in as well. So that's the plan, but it's going to be a lot of work taking some stuff to the junk and scrap yards, etc. And it just keeps you busy. Well, this is a really small little field that I cut the other day, and it'll make square bales, and it'll be really good square bales, but they'll probably only be about 25 bales off this little bitty patch, maybe not even that much. But I'll get it tomorrow, which will be a Monday. Good morning, everyone. It is a Monday morning, and today's project is I've got to hook up the hay rake. And this afternoon, late this afternoon, I'm going to hopefully bale just a few square bales. It won't amount to much. It just help clean up a field. And if you notice, I'm wearing a sweatshirt, and we've gone from those 90-degree days, and it is, I think, 57 degrees here this morning when I woke up, but it's going to warm up pretty quick. But it's just a little cool here this morning. Good morning, everyone. Here in southwestern Indiana, it has turned into sweatshirt weather as I go out to do my morning chores. And as you can see, I have my square baler unhooked, and we'll only use it one more time this year. I'd like to get at least another 100 square bales put in the barn. And of course, Des, the boarder, she's barking at the calves, and they're used to her, so they're not paying any attention to her. Then up the road there, you can see my truck, and it is hooked up to a flatbed trailer, because sometime this week I'll be headed to get maybe 125, 150 bales of straw, and not all of it's mine. Half is for a friend, and half of it's for me. So it's morning chore time. And all I'm doing is feeding the heifers and 3 replacement goat dolings. So that's a morning update here at Fescue Farm. Hey, good evening. It is a Tuesday evening, and I'm in my gator, and I'm heading to my neighbors to AI a couple cows. She wants some bread. Not 100% sure that they're in, so it's just kind of guesswork as to what's going to happen with these two, but I just do what I'm asked sometimes. So that's what's going on this evening. It is a Wednesday This is a 40-acre hay field that I do on the shares. Started cutting it this morning, running 2 tractors. The first time I cut this field, I only had 1 disc mower available, so I cut the whole thing in 1 setting. It was a little over 8 hours. So running 2 tractors, obviously it should be cutting that time frame in half. Not sure when I'll bail. There's a lot going on this Labor Day weekend, but that's what I'm doing today. Running 2 tractors saves an immense amount of time. Both disc mowers that we're running are the same. They're both 8-footer New Hollands. My son's in an open station Massey Ferguson 283. Really good tractor with the 4-cylinder Perkins engines, and that thing is really economical on fuel and does a nice job. I'm in the John Deere 5090M. Of course, as the dad, I'm in the air conditioning, although don't need air conditioning this morning. It was in high 40s this morning when I got up, and it's probably high 50s or low 60s right now. But we're knocking these fields out. Again, 40 acres total. Not sure I'll do all 40 today, but we'll see. Hey, good afternoon. It's a Thursday afternoon, a little after 1 here in southwestern Indiana. This morning, close to 9 o'clock, took off to go to about 60 miles south of where I live. Picked up 126 bales of straw, 50 of which will be mine. 76 get dropped off at a friend's, and I've already dropped off the friend's straw. Now I'm on the way home from his house, which is about 25 miles away, to unload my 50 bales of straw. And that's what I use in the winter time when the goats are kidding and the cows are calving to bed pens with. So that's a little update on the Thursday. Good morning, everyone. It is a Friday morning, and first thing obviously is my morning chores, but also I'm heading about 25 miles away to breed a couple cows. I think there's a couple is what I've been told. Might be heifers for all I know. So that's the morning project. I'll breed them at about 8 o'clock this morning, and I'll come home and just kind of wait till the dew goes off. I'll go up and check that 40 acres of hay that I cut and see if it's going to be dry enough, and I'm not sure it will be, since yesterday we didn't get a lot of sun. We'll see how it goes. I would love to get it baled today, but I'm not sure. So that's an update of the morning. And I'm also behind a school bus heading over here to breed these cows. And for those of you that know me know that this is starting my 10th year of retirement from a 40-year education career. And after 40 years, I can honestly say I do not miss heading into the school every day. I think I spent my time, and that's good enough. So there's a little update. Well, it's hay raking day, and I hope this is going to be dry enough to bale this afternoon, but we will find out. get done tonight. Had a little baler trouble. Took me a good while to, I think, troubleshoot and figure out what was going on. And I think I've figured it out, but we'll see. So it is wrapping a bale right now, and I'm only going to do these 2.5 rows, and then I'm going to come back and finish this field tomorrow. Hey, good morning on this Saturday morning. I didn't finish the 40 acres yesterday with some baler issues, which I finally got, I think, ironed out. So this morning I'm up here servicing the baler, greasing it all up, oiling the chains, so I'll be ready to go this afternoon to finish up the baling. I've probably got about 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours left to bale. So I've got everything greased, I've got everything oiled. I'm going to check the net wrap clutch just a little bit and put fuel in the tractors. The one tractor I bale with, and then the other tractor that moves the hay off the field. So getting ready to finish baling this 40 acres today. Well, it is a Saturday afternoon, and I'm finishing up this 40 acres of hay. And that's the full bale alarm that you just heard, so it's wrapping. And get this bale dumped out. And knock on wood, it hasn't missed a bale yet today. So I'm hoping I resolve the issue on the net wrap. And I don't know whether you can see these bales, but they're all coming out pretty darn nice. Pretty happy today. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. This will be a wrap of that. I did get the 40 acres of hay baled, and I'll start moving that hay home either tomorrow or Monday. So I'm pretty happy with that. The baler was serviced and power washed. But there is 22 acres yet that will be a third cutting, and I will do a bunch of square bales off of it and roll up what's left. I'll try and get 100 square bales more in the barn. So it's been a long 2 days of getting everything done, but worn out, tired, and ready to enjoy the part of the weekend. But I will start moving hay, so it's not going to be a vacation necessarily for me. Hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. Enjoy your Monday Labor Day vacation. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, and encourage them to subscribe as well. Thanks everyone.